Hi, so this is my pink pineapple pink like logo design here. Um, I kind of started off with just a simple one, one of the ones that I just didn't have much a problem with. I did have problems finding and or making the washing instruction logos. So if I could change anything about any three of these, would be the fact that I couldn't get a good um, symbol for washing instructions, so I don't like the having to type them down. So that's one thing I would change. Um, Otherwise, I like this one. It's uniform, straight. The size tag is off center, which I like. This one, I'm not sure how I feel about the bar down here of the size, but I'm not really sure what else to do with it. This one's probably my favorite here. And then the tags. Again, the third one's probably my favorite. And then probably this one. And then these two have a decent amount in common, just switching which words go where.